All right. Describe your experience with Northwest Roof Maintenance.
Oh, excellent from the initial estimate through the cleanup and the follow-up. I think they're a great group of folks to work with.
Thank you. Thank you. What did you like most about working with Northwest Roof Maintenance?
I think I was thrilled by the fact that from the point where the estimate was given and the work was completed, it was a relatively short period of time and easier than getting an appointment with a doctor.
Yeah. Thank you. How did Northwest Roof Maintenance solve your roof problem?
Oh, we had some major challenges with getting the gutters clean. The moss on the roof hadn't been done for, I can't remember when the last time it was done. They were efficient. They were conscientious about the cleanup. So yeah, overall, just a very good working relationship with them, and I would recommend them to anyone.
Awesome. Thank you so much.